morning, everybody. It's 6/11/2014, and I'm just come down to the beach to take a quick dip. I'm gonna help my friend out water, mow his lawn and shit later on. But I just got this coconut, and I know a lot of people say that you should cut in like this, but if you don't have a big knife, it's kind of difficult to do. Most of the time they're doing it with a machete. So what I've been doing is I've just been kind of peeling away at them. I don't know if you guys can see that. Make sure to always cut away from yourself, especially when you're cutting something that's doesn't cut so easily, when it doesn't slip, cut you. Kind of show you what I'm doing. I'm kind of scraping out the younger flesh here. Now the coconut's not fully developed, so the flesh is still really soft and tender. So this right here is you can kind of tell as I punctured right here. There's this little that's the actual shell for the coconut. The other part is just the husk around it. And so what I do, so just kind of drag my knife into it and twist it. I'll put the camera down again. So I just cut a little hole in it for now. I mean, there's not too much coconut juice in there. It's full, but now it's ready to drink. You got yourself a great coconut drink. So, Hawaiian out, everybody. Hawaiian out, brah. From 3 Tables, Hawaii. Signing out.